My name is Lantoya, and I'm the creator of Doused Beauty, and you guys are now tuned into Doused Beauty TV. In today's episode, I'm going to be teaching you all how to make your very own deodorant. So if you're interested, go ahead and stay tuned to the video.
The ingredients that you would need for today's project is baking soda, arrowroot starch / flour, refined coconut oil. You will need your essential oils if you're choosing something, preferably tea tree, and I'm using lavender oil as well. You can mix whatever you want. Shea butter, refined shea butter. You're gonna need popsicle sticks, unless you don't have a spatula, okay? And then I'm gonna be using my favorite oil, which is Pink Girl, because I really want mine to smell really girly, and yeah. And then I'm going to be adding just a little bit of vitamin E, and I'm going to be putting this mixture in this empty container. You guys can put it in whatever container that you like and of your choosing. Alright, so now you want to have with your gloves, you want to do 1/4 baking soda. Okay, and then you're going to do 2 1/4 of the arrowroot. And you guys will see me doing that now. Fun fact, the baking soda will help detoxify your underarms, and the arrowroot in and of itself will help keep you dry throughout the day. And another thing with, natural deodorants, you have to allow your body to get acclimated with the deodorants, okay? Because a lot of the store brand deodorants have aluminum in it, has all types of chemicals and whatnot in there. And so your body is so used to that, and you don't want anything to clog your pores. And that's exactly what the aluminum and the metals inside of the store brand deodorants, that's what they do. So you're going to have to give your body a chance to get acclimated to this new natural vegan deodorant. So now I'm just going ahead mixing that powder up, and then what you want to have already done is melted your shea butter and your coconut oil together, and I've already done that in my double boiler. And I'm just going to slightly pour it in while mixing it up to get the right type of consistency, and that's what you guys will be seeing me do right now. This is such a fun project as well. This is something that you can not only do yourself, but you can teach your friends. You can give this as a gift. It's really, really fun to do, and it's really practical to do as well, because a lot of these products you should already have in your kitchen, like seriously. So you want to make sure that you mix that up really, really, really good. And the next thing that we're going to be doing is I'm going to add a little bit of my vitamin E oil as soon as I get through mixing. And then you want to put your essential oils in there. So let's just sit back and watch and see what I do. All right, so right here, this is my tea tree oil, and I'm doing about 10 drops of tea tree oil. Now, tea tree oil can be very, very powerful and very, very strong in smell. So you guys can limit your tea tree oil how you see fit. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in my lavender oil. Now, both of these oils are antifungal, antibacterials, have wonderful properties in it. The lavender kind of masks the smell of that tea tree. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that up again. Look at the flick of the wrist. Hey, look at the flick of the wrist. Sorry, guys. Now, this step is definitely optional. I'm going to take my pipette and my favorite fragrance, and I'm just going to add in a little bit of fragrance in there. You do not have to do this step. This is just my preference because I really want this to smell really girly. But let's just say you have baby powder fragrance and you want your deodorant to smell like baby powder. You can go ahead and add that in, or not. So do what feels right to you. This step is slightly complicated, so if you just have a different type of container, I would suggest using that, because I have such a hard time trying to get this product into this container without it spilling. but thank God I was able to do so. So that's all you want to do is just pour all your contaminants in there, pop it in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes, and you are good to go with your brand new deodorant. Thank me later.
Now that you've taken your deodorant out, it should look sort of like this, okay, where you can push it up. I'm gonna cut this down. All right, so it should look like this, where you can push it up or down. And now it's ready for use. Really easy peasy. Okay? Put your cap on it, and you are good to go. If you have any left over like how I did and you don't have any other things, you can definitely put your deodorant in a little thing like this, and you just scoop it out. Real easy peasy. Okay, guys? Thank you guys so much for following my channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead, subscribe now. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. Hit the thumbs down button if you think I need to improve on something, but don't just hit the thumbs down. Go ahead and comment down below what you think I should improve on my channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.